Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to disable auto verify on Opera GX. Now if you enable auto verify, it means that you do not want the site to keep asking you all the time, are you a human or are you a bot? But let's say you want to turn it off, they don't want this feature to be on anymore. How do you do it? It's quite simple. From the home menu, open up your settings. I prefer it to alternate and the P keys is faster. And so once you're there, click on site settings and you scroll all the way or down until you see additional content settings and you click on the arrow. And you can see, you scroll down, you see auto verify. So that site can help verify auto bot. Now this is it, it's turned on right now. As it's turned on, it means that a site you visit can save a small amount of info with Chrome, meaning to validate they are not a bot. As you keep browsing, the site can check which Chrome and verify with a previous site you visit that you are likely a real person. So it means browsing to be faster because the site is less likely to ask you to verify you're a real person. Now if you do not want this feature on, you can simply turn it off. But that means you have to verify that you're a human, not a bot, almost every time you need the verification. It's as simple as that.